Today's review is on the Bissell Steam Mop and Cleaner, the PowerFresh original version. Let's see what's in the box. A set of mops. Actually, this is a bit of a fib. Mine came with 0 mops, so I reached out to Amazon and they were kind enough to send me this 6-pack of mops for free for the mistake. I think otherwise you just get 1 mop with your purchase. I'll link the replacement mops in the description in case you're interested. This is the arm you use to maneuver around when you're cleaning with the steam mop. This here is the mop head that the washable mops will go over. And yes, they are washable, so they can be reused quite a few times. This is the steamer itself with a nice long cord. If you clean homes for a living, that's actually nice to have, especially for some of these bigger homes. Some instructions, but we don't need those because men don't read instructions, right? All right, now for the assembly. Pretty easy. I would start at the bottom, putting this mop on, and then just wrap it all the way around. Now connect the steamer to the mop. Press hard until you hear a satisfying click. Unwrap the tape off the arm to reveal a screw. Push the arm into the steamer and tighten the screw. Now, how to turn it on and use it. There's no power button on this thing at all, which is a little confusing. Instead, after you plug it in, this white light starts to blink. Once it stops blinking, that means that the mop is ready to clean. To change the different steam levels, you just have to tap the steam button and it will cycle through the different steam levels, and you can just pick what strength of steam that you want to use to clean your floors. If you're finding value in this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for future videos on things I buy. Okay, but does it actually work well? I left a nice little stain here just to demo. As you can see, it does a pretty good job at quickly getting rid of it. There's some other brown blotches in the vinyl here, but I think those were there when I moved into my apartment and they're likely there to stay. Another thing I really like about this mop is how quiet it is. And because it's using steam to clean the floor doesn't get as wet, so it actually dries way faster than if you were to use a mop in a bucket. I have a dog, so I don't actually use cleaning detergent when I mop, so this steam mop did this well, considering that there was no cleaning agent used at all, just water. I love how easy this thing is to use, and it most certainly will be replacing my mop and bucket. I'm super excited about this purchase, and I'll have links in the description below for you guys if you're also interested in making this purchase today. And if you're into these short to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos.